Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add icons in HTML website in a very simple way. First we will go for our web browser, and then here we can simply search for font awesome CDN. Then we can simply click it, and then here we'll get this website called fontcdnjs.com. so if we click on that, then you will get a lot of links over here. From here you can simply select the version, which version you want to download, and then here you can simply copy the link, and then here into the head section you can simply paste the link, and you can simply save it. And now if we come over into another new tab, and then here we can simply search for font awesome, and then we can simply go for font awesome website, and then here you can simply click on icons, and here we can simply search for Instagram. So if we search for Instagram, and we get this kind of icons, so we're going to choose this square Instagram, and from here we can simply copy it by simply click on them, and then I'm going to paste it into the body section, and I can simply save it right now. And now if I just go for my website, as you can see right now the Instagram square icons is showing over here. So here we can simply change the color also. So for that we just need to add the style.css. so we're not going for the style.css. what we're going to do, we're going to create a new style tag over here. To create a style tag, into the style tag I can simply give this name over here, class name if square Instagram. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it over here like this, and now as you can see right now it's showing. So now we're going to give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we can simply give the font style. The font style should be normal, and then I can simply give the color. So for the color I can simply give orange red. So as you can see right now we changed the color. As you can see we changed the color to the orange red, and we keep the font style as normal. So this is how you can simply add icons for your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.